Welcome back everyone to my class. Today we're going to be talking about drawing one of the images from the handouts. Now this is just one of the handouts. You have your choice of any of the first handouts that I listed. I'm going to choose the rose today. So on a piece of paper, we're going to make a 6 by 6 inch box. So we do that just to reduce the size to make it more manageable. If the box is not centered on the page, it's fine. Okay. So we'll make a 6 by 6 inch box here. So again, 6 by 6. Okay. So when I draw this, the first step is going to be your outline. Okay. So I'm going to look at the shapes here. And I see, when I look at this, a circle and then a semicircle. So I'm going to draw big. Here's my rose. And then I'm going to draw the semicircle for the pearls. Once I finish my outline, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw my details. Now this looks a lot harder than it is. I always like to start in the center. And I look at each part of it as a shape. So that's the center. Then I look at the second area here as another shape. And I see this fold here. Okay, so now I have those 3 petals drawn. Now this petal changes and I can see this right here. So you're picking out shapes for where it's dark, for where it's light. Now for this, I want to make it slightly bigger. Okay. And then for the pearls, you can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one's like sort of covered. So there's my basic outline and my details. I'm going to go into shading last. So once you think you have a pretty good grasp on, you're going to add that cast shadow. You can erase any lines that you no longer need. Okay. I'm just going to fix up this shape because I'm not crazy about it. And now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to start to shade. So you're going to start in one area and you're going to assign them. You're just going to look at, okay, where are my level 5s first? And it goes to like a level 3. Any areas that are white, you leave white. Now I'm going to go to here. Okay. It's like a medium tone. Followed by dark here. Okay. And then you're slowly going to go from one area to the next. And my eyes are just glancing as I'm doing this. I'm going to go to here. Right behind it is very dark. Now, I'm doing this extremely fast. You're going to do this a lot slower. When you go to the pearls, you're going to look, they're mostly light. So you're going to add those highlights in there by just leaving those areas white. You're going to add your cast shadows, and if you go too dark in areas, you can always erase. Then you're going to go in with your cast shadow at the very end. And you're going to, it's very dark, like right in this area, so that's all your level 5s. You're only doing a cast shadow left and right, not up and down. Gradually, as you move away from it, getting lighter. There's a cast shadow in all of these, so you definitely want to include that shadow. So what you'll do is you're just slowly going to go throughout that rose, whatever object you pick, and you're just assigning the values. You're just looking and seeing where it's dark, where it's light. And you're taking your time, not like I am. And you're gonna do as smooth of a job as you can. And you'll just go over it. And if you go a little dark in an area, you can always lighten it up. Okay? So, good luck, guys. I know you're going to be great.